Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling ride across the United States to unveil the 15 most incredible places you absolutely must visit. From the awe-inspiring grandeur of national parks to the bustling streets of iconic cities, we've got the ultimate travel bucket list covered. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or just want to experience the diverse beauty this country has to offer, make sure you stick around because these destinations are guaranteed to blow your mind. Pack your bags, grab your cameras, and let's jump right into the adventure of a lifetime. Kicking off our list of incredible destinations is the stunning Yosemite National Park situated in California, USA. Renowned for its awe-inspiring waterfalls cascading down towering cliffs, the park also boasts ancient giant sequoias adding to its natural grandeur. Yosemite stands as a haven for those who cherish nature's wonders and seek thrilling adventures. This majestic landscape not only motivated the conservation endeavors of John Muir, but also remains a vital haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a serene escape into the wild beauty of the world. Next up is New York City, a bustling metropolis that never sleeps. The Big Apple allures visitors with iconic landmarks like the majestic Statue of Liberty and picturesque Central Park for peaceful strolls. NYC offers vibrant cultural experiences from Broadway shows to diverse neighborhoods, each with unique charm. It's a melting pot of art, entertainment, and history, pulsing with energy, setting it apart globally. The skyline, dominated by towering skyscrapers like the Empire State Building, showcases human ingenuity. Amidst bustling streets, find a variety of cuisines from street vendors to Michelin-starred restaurants. Museums like the Met and MoMA house priceless treasures reflecting the city's cultural tapestry. Whether in Times Square, catching a Broadway show, or people watching in a cafe, NYC captivates with endless possibilities and vibrant spirit. Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona captures the imagination with its awe-inspiring vistas. This natural wonder, sculpted by the mighty Colorado River over millions of years, exposes intricate layers of geological history. The Grand Canyon enchants visitors with its vastness, offering a myriad of hiking trails that wind through rugged terrain, unveiling breathtaking vantage points at every turn. Whether you're gazing at the crimson hues of sunrise or marveling at the starlit skies, every moment at the Grand Canyon is an unforgettable journey through time and nature's artistry. For a delightful blend of southern hospitality intertwined with rich historical relevance, Savannah, Georgia stands out as an unparalleled destination. The city's charming cobblestone streets, magnificent architecture reflecting its storied past, and tranquil, shady squares come together to create a picturesque and warmly welcoming atmosphere that beckons visitors to explore its hidden gems at every turn. Yellowstone National Park, established in 1872, sprawls across the states of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. This iconic park is renowned for its stunning geothermal features, including the famous Old Faithful geyser that erupts with remarkable precision. Beyond the geysers, Yellowstone is a diverse ecosystem that supports a wide array of wildlife, such as grizzly bears, wolves, and elk, making it a prime destination for nature and animal enthusiasts from around the globe. With its breathtaking landscapes and unique geology, Yellowstone National Park truly offers a one-of-a-kind experience for visitors seeking to immerse themselves in the beauty of the natural world. In the vibrant state of Florida, Miami shines brightly with its lively culture, stunning beaches, and mesmerizing Art Deco architecture. The city's vibrant energy is palpable as you stroll along the iconic South Beach, where the soft sands meet the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The colorful murals that adorn the walls of Wynwood Walls provide a feast for the eyes, showcasing the creativity and diversity that make Miami a hub for artists and art enthusiasts alike. Known as a melting pot of diverse cultures, Miami's culinary scene is a culinary delight, offering a fusion of flavors from Cuban cafetitos to fresh seafood delights. The music scene in Miami is a melting pot of sounds, from the rhythmic Latin beats that fill the streets of Little Havana to the electronic tunes that pulse through the vibrant nightlife of South Beach. Miami truly embodies a rich tapestry of cultures, making it a captivating destination for those seeking a blend of sun, sea, art, music, and culinary delights. New Orleans, Louisiana, is renowned for its captivating fusion of French, African, and American cultures, intricately woven into every aspect of the city, from its tantalizing cuisine to its soul-stirring music. The vibrant tapestry of New Orleans comes alive through its annual festivities like the iconic Mardi Gras, showcasing the rich tapestry of traditions that make this city truly unique. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the enchanting French Quarter, a vibrant hub boasting not only a lively nightlife, but also a treasure trove of historic landmarks waiting to be discovered. San Francisco, California, known as the City by the Bay, stands out for its iconic Golden Gate Bridge, an architectural marvel that spans the bay with elegance, offering breathtaking views of the cityscape and beyond. This bustling city's diverse topography, ranging from rolling hills to steep streets, creates a kaleidoscope of neighborhoods, each with its own character and history waiting to be uncovered. Visitors can immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of San Francisco's past, from the gold rush era to the tech boom, experiencing a blend of historical allure and cutting-edge innovation that defines the city's unique charm. For nature enthusiasts looking to immerse themselves in the beauty of the great outdoors, Zion National Park in Utah offers a breathtaking landscape dominated by majestic red sandstone cliffs. Visitors can explore a variety of hiking trails, from easy strolls through serene landscapes to thrilling adventures that test their limits. The park provides a peaceful retreat into the heart of nature, allowing individuals to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with the tranquility of the natural world. Las Vegas, Nevada, known as the entertainment capital of the world, beckons visitors with its vibrant energy and extravagant offerings. This bustling city in the heart of the Mojave Desert is renowned for its opulent hotels, world-class entertainment, and a nightlife that ignites with neon brilliance. Venture beyond the iconic casinos, and you'll discover a realm of captivating shows, exquisite dining experiences, and a plethora of natural wonders in the surrounding areas waiting to be explored. Las Vegas truly epitomizes the essence of excitement and luxury, promising an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Chicago, Illinois is renowned for its impressive architecture that spans from classic to modern masterpieces. The city boasts world-class museums such as the Art Institute of Chicago, showcasing an extensive collection of art. When it comes to dining, Chicago's vibrant food scene offers a diverse range of culinary delights to satisfy every palate. Additionally, the city's picturesque waterfront location enhances its charm, with serene parks and inviting beaches lining the shores of Lake Michigan. In Hawaii, Maui truly shines as a tropical paradise, renowned for its pristine beaches that stretch along the coastline, inviting you to bask in the sun and listen to the soothing sounds of the waves. The island's lush landscapes are a vibrant mosaic of colors, with diverse flora adding to its natural beauty. The enchanting road to Hana meanders through breathtaking scenery, revealing cascading waterfalls, lush rainforests, and panoramic ocean views that will leave you in awe. Maui offers a harmonious blend of tranquility and excitement, where you can immerse yourself in crystal-clear waters for snorkeling adventures, embark on invigorating hikes that lead you to hidden gems in nature, and explore the rich cultural tapestry that weaves together the island's heritage and traditions, creating an unforgettable experience for all who visit. Seattle, Washington is renowned for its iconic Space Needle, a symbol of the city's futuristic design. The vibrant Pike Place Market, bustling with local artisans and fresh produce, adds a colorful touch to the city's charm. Surrounded by lush green spaces like Discovery Park and the Washington Park Arboretum, Seattle offers a serene escape into nature within an urban setting. This unique blend allows residents and visitors to enjoy a balanced lifestyle, combining outdoor adventures with the energy of a cutting-edge urban environment. Charleston, South Carolina, known for its rich history, is a captivating city that breathes life into the past through its meticulously preserved architecture, enchanting historic plantations, and picturesque cobblestone streets. Walking through the city feels like stepping back in time, with each building telling a story of its own. The city's allure is further enhanced by its vibrant culinary landscape, where the fusion of traditional Southern cuisine with contemporary twists delights the senses of locals and visitors alike. From the iconic Rainbow Row to the stunning waterfront views, Charleston is a true gem of the South that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and charm. Rounding out our list, Boulder, Colorado stands out as a picturesque city nestled at the foot of the majestic Rocky Mountains. Its charming downtown area is lined with unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and art galleries showcasing local talent. Outdoor enthusiasts are drawn to Boulder's extensive trail network, perfect for both leisurely strolls and challenging hikes. The city's culinary scene is a treat for foodies, with a diverse range of innovative restaurants serving up culinary delights from around the world. Additionally, Boulder's strong commitment to sustainability practices is evident in its eco-friendly initiatives and green spaces that harmoniously blend with the urban landscape. Each of these destinations across the United States offers unique experiences that capture the heart of the country's diverse landscapes, cultures, and traditions. Whether you're drawn to the tranquility of nature, the rush of city life, or the warmth of small towns, these places promise memories that will last a lifetime. If you've enjoyed this picturesque journey through some of the most captivating cities in the United States, make sure to hit the like button to show your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel guides and tips that promise to inspire your next adventure. Safe travels!